Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Chainlink from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Link tokens seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll walk you through it step by step to keep things simple and secure. First off, why do this? Sending Chainlink to Binance lets you trade on a major exchange, but always remember, crypto transactions are final, so double-check everything to avoid losses. Before we start, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and a verified Binance account. Also, make sure you have Chainlink, Link, tokens in your Trust Wallet and some extra for network fees. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to the Tokens, or Wallet, section. Search for Chainlink, Link, and select it. Step 2. Tap on the Send button for Chainlink. This will open a screen where you enter the recipient's address. Now, switch to Binance. Log into your account, navigate to the Wallet tab, and select Deposit for Chainlink. Choose the correct network, probably Ethereum, since Chainlink runs on it, and copy the deposit address provided. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Triple check it for accuracy to prevent sending to the wrong place. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send. Be mindful of fees. Subtract them from your total to ensure you don't undersend. Step 4. Review the transaction details, then hit Send, and confirm with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric auth. After sending, the transaction will process on the blockchain. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to see the Link tokens arrive. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now on Binance. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive info. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe in the crypto world.